na. Naglaban sila dito.
Hub yours, kailangan namin kayo dito, hub yours.
Naglalaban.
Walk southeast.
Hindi yung backline.
Walk.
Malapit na kayo?
Yeah, dito na kami. Ito kami, oh. Keep
Sige,
moving
okay.
east. Keep moving east. Faster DPS. Keep moving east, ha?
Sige, atras ka lang agad ah.
Sige lang.
Keep moving.
Pwede ko na yan to.
Keep moving. Keep moving east. Nakikita ko na sila east. Pre, on the ground, boys. In 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Delete this. Sige lang, brawl this. Mamatay na yun, oh. Banata mo, pre. Banata mo. Patay na yung isa. Sige, push southeast. Pass. Ready defensive. Keep pushing. Layuan nyo yung depth ng sa ano nyo, men. Keep pushing sa tis. Wala pa ako. Keep pushing lang.
Wala nang iyon depth.
Ready defensive. Pre, come notice. Notice. On the ground, boys. In 3, 2, 1. On the ground now, boys. All of them. Gago, ubos.
Shit! Ang gago, shit!
Asan yung kalaban, boy? Asan yung kalaban, pre? Asan na?
Uy, gago, na-stuck na yung mga nandun, oh. Naglulot. Uy, loot na, gago. Shit, man.
Hoy,
Ang ina.
asan yung kalaban? Kala ko ba may kalaban?
Yan rin yun, regional comeback.
Mount up, boys.
Wala na, ubos na.
Tangin, wala namang kalaban. Sabi mo meron doon. Ang sarap pa rin pag burol kalaban mo, tapos binurol yung isa. Ang sarap iklap, no? Sino binurol nila doon?